Today we are going to talk about MyClone, a tool that helps you to turn your own knowledge and experience into a 24/7 AI assistant. If you are someone who gets these same questions again and again from clients, students, followers, or customers, this kind of tool can save a lot of time. In this video, I will explain what MyClone is, how it works from the official website, and who is it useful for, and how people are using it to create the AI assistant that feel personal and helpful. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we explore simple AI tools and practical software that help you to use your knowledge in smarter ways. If this kind of content helps you, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Also check the link in the description to explore MyClone and any available offers. By using the description link, my deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use any code or doing anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, MyClone is designed to create a personal AI assistant based on your own content. Instead of using a generic chatbot that gives random answers, MyClone learns from what you already know and how you explain things. The goal is simple. Your AI assistant should respond in a way that feels close to you and how you would normally reply. When you visit the official website, the MyClone website, and open the dashboard, everything looks clean and very easy to understand. And you start by creating a new clone and give it a name. After that, you begin adding your knowledge. This can be document, text file, written explanation, or links to websites where your content already exists. MyClone reads this information and uses it to understand your expertise. The setup process does not require any technical background. You do not need any coding skills or complex settings. You upload or paste your content and the system takes care of all of the rest. Once your data is added, you can test your clone by asking questions. This helps you to see how well the AI understands your material and how natural the answers feel. Over the time, you can improve your clone by adding more content or adjusting how you explain things. This makes the AI assistant more accurate and more useful. Many users find this helpful because the assistant improves as they continue to use it. MyClone is especially useful for coaches, consultants, freelancers, course creators, and business owners. If people often ask about your services, pricing, the process, or learning material, your AI assistant can handle those questions automatically. This means your audience gets quick replies and you get more time to focus on important work. Another useful part is sharing the clone. You can share it using a link or place it where your audience already interacts with you. Visitor can ask questions and get instant answer even when you are offline. For solo creators and small teams, this feels like having extra support without hiring staff. Now let's talk about the AppSumo deal part in a simple and calm way. MyClone is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, which means you pay once instead of paying every month. This can be helpful if you want the long-term access without ongoing cost. The first AppSumo tier is usually suitable for the beginners. It allows you to create a limited number of clones with the basic data and usage limits. This is a good option if you want to build one main AI assistant and see how it fits to your work. The next tier offers more flexibility. You can create more clone, you can upload more content and handle more conversations. This is useful for freelancers or creators who manage different projects or audiences. Now let's talk about the higher tier plan. It's designed for advanced users and agencies. This plan supports multiple clones, larger knowledge base, and higher usage limits. If you work with clients or manage several brands, this tier gives you the more room to scale. If you are already planning to use AI to support your expertise or audience, checking the AppSumo deal through the description link, that can be a smart option. So just choose the tier that matches how you plan to use the tool. So overall, MyClone is a practical solution for turning your knowledge into an AI assistant that works all day. It does not replace you, but it helps you to reduce the repetitive work while still helping the people in a personal way. So that's all for today's video, and that was the lifetime deal from the AppSumo on MyClone. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who is looking for the AI assistant. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.